हमारा जो फिल्म है, it supports a social cause. We're giving out a message in our film about being the change. Or I think we're all four actually, Vijender is not here, but I'll say it from all four of us. We're very grateful that we've got this opportunity to tie up with PETA for yet again another noble cause. Our film, as you all know, it's Fugly. The F in Fugly is fight ugly. So here we're fighting against, and we're saying that fur is ugly.
Yeah.
So in this case, it's with animals, but yet again, it's being inhuman. As you've seen in the
You guys saw the ad.
the ad, the document that
I'm in fact a little taken aback after seeing that. I'd not seen these parts of it, and it's actually fugly, right? Like what you
Yeah.
saw right now, and that's why. We all want to go out there and support a good social cause. Please, after this, I'm not touching fur, and I feel everybody should, stop using fur. And
I think the message that we're trying to give through the film is that, like she said, be the change, but take responsibility. If we won't take responsibility and take action, nothing will change. So it's about, like three of us are four actually with Vijendra. We are standing and saying, fur is ugly. Let's stop using fur. There's artificial fur that looks beautiful, That's as good.
You can use the
fashion colour,
artificial
you can use
fur.
the artificial fur.
You can still look
don't
good, and you don't have to trouble the
Fond
poor
of
rabbit.
artificial
And
fur,
that's the.
फर की यहाँ पे बात हो रही थी अभी थोड़ी देर पहले आप ही के ऐड में मैंने देखा कि फर स्कार्व्स, ये हर एक चीज विमेन स्कार्व ज्यादा पहनती है।
Yes.
तो ये आपके लिए सवाल है, आपने कभी ना
No, actually, quite honestly, I am not a fan of fur myself, and especially after they showed us the video before we went on to do this campaign, it's a disturbing video. It's very inhuman. The workers who torture these poor animals, it's too cruel to touch. And I live in Bombay. We don't need to wear fur. It's anyway so hot.
Yeah.
And when I travel, I think you get beautiful other materials, for scarves, lovely prints. You don't need fur.
Yeah,
and
this
if you
cotton
really
is very
and for
comfortable,
those, cotton is
This
lovely.
t-shirt
Or
is-
chiffon, you have
Yeah.
a lot of better options. And if you really want, as he said, there's artificial fur. If it's a fashion statement, I don't think you need to go through this torture process.
जहाँ पे फर की बात होती है वहीं पे चमड़ी की भी बात होती है। तो बहुत सारे एनिमल्स की चमड़ी से बेल्ट बनते हैं,
जी हाँ, leather वगैरह।
बेल्ट बनते हैं, शूज बनते हैं। तो ऑफिसली आप लोगों से जानना चाहूँगा, वो सब आपने कभी ना कभी तो यूज किया ही होगा।
No, for sure, being guys, when we were growing up, leather jacket was one of the things you definitely used to carry. Then shoes, that's leather, there was a time when you just can't avoid it because information is not there, the choice is not there. Now I think we are in 2014. There's choice for everything, So if you want to use something like that, use out of choice. I personally would like to avoid using any kind of leather. I don't wear belts anyhow. Shoes is what I'm consciously moving away from. I'm honestly saying it's not that I don't have shoes, but I'm consciously moving away from them. It's a conscious effort. We've done a film over a period of 1 year. We all have grown. We all have doing this film, spreading this message across. We all have become different human beings, and now we'd like to get associated with everything like this and change things.
And especially now that we are associated with PETA, I'm, whatever little stuff I probably have back in my closet, I'm going to go and get it out or try to slowly move away from it because, come on, man, this is not done, right? So, yeah.
एक ऐसी लड़की है हु इज़ वेरी मॉडर्न, इंडिपेंडेंट और बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग माइंडेड लड़की है। एंड शी हैज़ मेड अप अ माइंड कि उसको अरेंज मैरिज करनी नहीं है। NRI डैड है उसके, जो ऑब्वियसली हर एक की लाइफ में होता है, जैसे हर एक लड़की